So if you're a Blender artist and you're trying to learn most of the fundamentals on how you can make your 3D models, digital sculpting, working with lighting, working with animation, texturing, shading and materials, or possibly you want to get started with physics, rigging, or getting the full fundamentals on how you can start doing your compositing in Blender, then the Blender Core Skills with the Ultimate Blender Basic Bundle Remix from the folks at Humble Bundle alongside the folks at CG Cookie is definitely one nice bundle that you should get, as this bundle covers every single thing that you need to know in terms of fundamentals with how you can get started with all of the aspects of animation that we've just mentioned, and this covers a full detail on how you can get things going. These are high quality set of courses that will get you understanding the fundamentals on how you can work with all of this, as the fundamentals of any of this gives you a solid ground to understand how several operations work inside of Blender, and all of the skill set that you get with this can also be reused in other DCC apps. Right now, this 9-item bundle is going for about $24 all the way to $29, and overall price point for this when you choose to purchase them individually is £246. And of course, if you like to save up on them and get all of this, then you can simply get that for $29. It is quite interesting to see what the folks at Humble Bundle have been doing over time. So for those who would also want to take a look at how they can get started with Animate, then there's the Anything World Animated Magic, which is currently available. This is basically for Unreal Engine and also Unity artists thinking of how to get started with creating stuff. There's also the free Anything World subscription for 1 year, which you'll be able to get, and all of this as well is going for an astonishing £20 to £25 as against £11,565 that you get to pay, and this is also a massive steal. Alongside that, there's a ton of things that are currently making a comeback, like the Best of Synth version 2 assets, which we already mentioned on the channel before. This is making a comeback, and of course, if you like to get this, you can proceed to go ahead and check it out. This is super useful for those who like to get started with low poly. Links to that is going to be in the description. For those who missed out on Corel Draw and possibly you still want to get this, you can simply go ahead and check it out right now. Corel Draw 2024 standard alongside Corel Painter 2023 standard is right here, and you can simply go ahead and get it. This also comes with a couple of presets, a couple of tools that you can use to start making your digital painting. There's also the Paint Shop Pro, which is also an amazing Corel product, which is also part of the design bundle for Corel Draw. And as the year comes to an end, the Unreal Engine Sci-Fi Creator Kit is also here, and this as well is doing a whole lot of things. So for those who like to get all of these assets, possibly you like to get the characters, the environment, the props that you can use to start creating your very own stuff, or possibly you want to get the game development market best of 2024 stuff, then these are all here and you can come through and grab them. There's just a ton of things that you can now get, especially if you're into game development or possibly you're into making 3D models. And of course, for those who like to learn anything that has to do with Blender, master the fundamentals of making any of these things, this is a massive steal, and I will recommend that you go ahead and check it out. This is a better deal than what we got with Blender Market Sales. And of course, for those who did miss out on Blender Market Sales, there's still a couple of products that are currently doing discount at this point. Like the M panel is currently doing the 30% stuff for those who missed it. We also have some percentage off, which is also available. I think this is now off, but of course, this is also another beautiful tool for those who missed it out. And we did talk about True Terrain, which is currently doing a big sale off right now. And I think this is also running out. You can use the coupon code NKTT5 to simply check out and get 30% off. And at the same time, once you purchase True Terrain version 5, you'd also be able to have access to True Sky, as this would also be coming with True Terrain version 5 for free. So if you like to get True Terrain and True Sky for the price of one, then you can simply go ahead and check this one. So the links that are going to be in the description. Tell me what you guys think about this one in the comment section. And until I see you guys in the next one, peace.